Okay, so you must be having an idea what will be happening in those classes.
मैम मैम लाइक इन एडी सब्जेक्ट जो
Mhm.
मतलब 3 आवर्स के लिए होता है ओनली मैम कोडिंग करना है बस 3 आवर्स के लिए मतलब वेब डेवलपर लाइक दिस
So,
मैम यू नो अबाउट recently
yes, there was a fire, I guess.
yes
I don't know that in detail. Can you
yes
describe?
many students are injured
Yes, what really happened? Can you tell me in detail?
yes ma'am I know about there ma'am a AC compressor was burst then many students like third year and fourth year in auditorium and ma'am AC compressor was burst then started the fire in auditorium then
Okay.
like ma'am 25 students are injured that time.
They're they're critically injured.
No, minor injury.
Okay, okay.